Alright, so let's get into it. So in this first lesson, we're going to talk about what physics is and describe the different subsections of physics. So according to Professor Paul Hewitt, who's kind of one of the physics teacher's teacher, he describes physics is the rules of the games of nature, the physical world. We're all in a physical world which only has a few rules. It is those rules that physics is all about. When we can learn those rules and see how those rules apply around us, the physical world means more to us. And in a nutshell, physics is the observation and measurement of the natural world in order to define how the universe works. Alright, so some of the different subsections of physics, we kind of have two different groups. The first group is classical physics, which includes Newtonian mechanics, electromagnetism, thermodynamics, and optics. Stuff that's been around for centuries and that we've kind of known about going back all the way to ancient Egyptians. Some of that information is um, quantified, been a little differently over the centuries, coming up with different laws and mathematical equations. Modern physics, which really started in the early 1900s, we have relativity and quantum mechanics. So relativity was the birth child of Albert Einstein, and then quantum mechanics, which started coming about the same time in the early 1900s through a variety of different physicists. So when we're talking physics and how to study and learn physics, the first thing you need to do, vocab, vocab, vocab. Learn your definitions and concepts. Make sure you know how to apply those definitions correctly because a lot of definitions have very precise definitions within physics, even though they sometimes get a broader, more general definition that we use in our everyday lives. You're going to have to practice solving different problems, question, ponder, analyze different situations, understand how equations show the cause and effect of different variables changing, and understand how concepts build on each other. All right, sit up straight. Make sure you got your calculator, pencils, paper all set to go. It's ready or not, we're about to learn physics.